Sheesh. Alright. Alright, fo. I'm on. I'm live. Let's go. Started this shit at 9:30. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Hold on. I could just go like boom. I'll be back in a second. Y'all still hear me, but I'll be back in a second, bro. Damn. But I don't even show I'm live, bro. Oh, there you go. Alright. Just posted on my Discord last live of 2024. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Alright, well. Oh shit. Nah. Y'all saw the sauce? Just kidding. Alright, there's still nobody, but I mean, fuck it. Alright, well. Damn. Crypto is really going that bad, bro. Everything's going to shit. XRP is at $2. It was just like at $2.13 earlier. Now it's at $2.06. Damn. Well, damn. Alright, so anyways, I was checking AR. But ain't no way. AR 35 call. But I mean, it's cause there is, I saw the flow, the options flow. And what I saw for January 3rd are these $30 calls. No, 30.5, no. Bro, I saw puts on the smart money. Oh well. Hold on, I'll post this on Twitter too. AR, there's a 212 bullish continuation. So this high of 3308 was the entry. broke above, so next price target was this high. This high was 33.28. Boom. It closed at 33.30, so it's holding that level. So next level we're looking at is this one. What is the high? 33.47. We'll just put it at 33.48 to make sure. To make sure that we're in fours. Alright, bro. AR 212 bullish continuation. This is a, well, fuck these ass, bro. This is a 2 bar. This is an inside bar, a 1. Inside bars are 1s, and then directional bars, they're 2s, bro. Directional bars means that it either went above the previous candle. So right here, this one went above and it closed above, so that's a 2. This little bar, this one is a 1 because it's inside previous candle, this candle's previous low and high. So this one was looking for a breakout, so it could have broken out either direction to the upside or to the downside. And then this right here, the high of that 1 bar would have been the entry, and then the price target would have been this one, this high. So since we went above this one is a 2 bar. It's looking in 4s, meaning that it's it has direction, bro. It has direction, so it's gonna hit this one next. Most likely gonna hit 33.48 this week. But I mean, yeah, I'm looking at this one. I don't like the premiums on the options, but I mean, let's look at Wendy's, bro. When? Alright, let me see. Let's look at the monthly. Alright, bro. I'm just posting this shit on my X, on Twitter. Sheesh, somebody else watching. Let's go. On the monthly. Fuck, this bitch ass phone died, bro. This shit died at 8%. That's fucking cheeks. I'm mad. I'm very mad. Wendy's, there's a 1 week fair value gap right here. Let's see. Is it reaching support? This is a support level. Yeah, there's a support level right there. Support level on the weekly right here. It could probably bounce back up to this level, this 18 level, this $18 level. Let me see. What is this? This is a 1 1 1 2. Nah, 1 1 3. Let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Y'all see 1 1 3 1 1 3. On the daily, it says a 3 bullish right strat reversal. See, I was pretty sure that it was gonna reverse, but on the weekly it says otherwise. It says a 2-2 bearish continuation. So I don't know, man. I'm looking maybe at calls. I'm looking at calls. If we go above previous high of 1665, I'm looking for calls there. Just 1 second. You see, yeah, I got 3 viewers on this shit, so somebody on. Look at Chewy. I got you, bro. Say less, bro. But yeah, bro, as I told you, be careful. Be careful if you're looking to get into calls for Wendy's, bro. Because, yeah, I'm not liking the setup, bro. It could go up this week or good stock to watch. Yeah, bro. Wendy's for sure, it could reverse anytime soon, but I mean, the monthly, I'm not too convinced, because if you look at the monthly, big ass red candle. Weekly, the weekly, I told you it could reverse here, hitting that support level. Double bottom, you see that? You see that double bottom right here? 1 2, you see that? Boom. And then on the weekly, there's another fair value gap, bro. So that's one. That's the most recent. Oh shit, there's a couple, bro. There is a couple. There's one right here too. And there's one right here too. All of this is on the weekly, but I mean, on the weekly, but it's been hitting this weekly fair value gap, the bottom of it, so it could probably go in, can probably reverse, can probably go up if it goes above 1665. But for puts, we're looking at the low of this one. The low is 1641. So below 1641, you would look to get puts. Below 1641, it could run all the way below to this one, to this low. This low of what, 1620? Yeah, so that's what I got for you, bro, for Wendy's. Wendy's nuts touch your mouth, but I mean, yeah, right here, if it goes above 1665, we could see fill this fair value gap. Or if it goes below 1641, we could see a run to 1620. But that's what I see for Wendy's. For chewing on these nuts. Let me see what I see for Chewy. I was looking at puts, bro, cause it broke this trend line, bro. But I don't know if it held above or below. But I mean, on this one, it looks like it's below this trend line. Maybe it could reverse down. But I mean, for puts, this one looks good for puts. Chewy. If you look at the low of this candle, which is 33.97, we'll put it at 33.96 to make sure that the breakout is breaking out, bro. That the breakout is enforced, bro. Cause I also had it over here for the weekly. Yeah, for the previous weekly high. It broke this trend line, bro. Like 1 month ago. I was looking at this shit 1 month ago, bro. Heavy. But I mean, right here we have a nice little trend line that was broken. And then another trend line right here. We stayed between this range for 3 days. Nah, just for 2 days. Actually, just for 1 day. That's a 1 bar. And then this is a 3 bar. No, it's a 2 bar. Look. You see this one's a 2 bar. On the daily, it shows a 3-2 reverse, bearish reversal. So this one could also go down, bro. You could also be looking at puts below 33.96. If it goes below 33.96, you might want to look at the next level for puts. The next level is 33.35. So below 33.96, we go down to 33.35. And we could possibly hit this trend line again. So that's what you want to keep on watch for Chewy. Yeah, look at the weekly too, bro. The weekly wanted this high, bro. It wanted to touch that high, but it just didn't. It just didn't, bro. On the daily, I told you on the daily it broke this trend line. And I'm looking for puts below 33.96, then at 33.35. Then they'll most likely touch this trend line, bro. Let me just erase these previous levels. Messing with me and shit. Any fair value gaps on the daily? I don't see any. I just see a gap right here. Let me see. This gap right here. I mean, shit, if you look at the fair value gap, it's low-key bouncing in there. But if it doesn't hold, you want to watch 33.96, below 33.96. Yeah, bro. I see Chewy and Wendy's for puts, bro. Any other stock? Look. Chewy and Wendy's. Below 1641, you want to get into puts, which could run up to 1620, all the way down to 1620. And for Chewy, I just want to keep an eye on this one. Be careful with this ticker, because this ticker moves like a bitch. But it is below this trend line though. And this candle wasn't a decisive candle. It's a 2 down. Let me pull this one up. You see, it's a 2 down. We had a 2-2 bullish continuation right here, like on Tuesday. From last week's Friday to Tuesday, this past Tuesday. And it did go above this high. It tried to reach this one, as you can see. It tried to reach this high. Let me just see this out real quick. It reached this one, and then it tried to reach this one, as you can see with this candle on Thursday. But I mean, that could be, you know, it got rejected, so that's probably resistance. Resistance is up here. So after this candle, we might look for more on the downside below 33.96, going down to 33.35. Most likely, all bouncing off this trend line or breaking this trend line. That's my analysis for Chewy. Chat rate. Bro, what happened with Toro, bro? I don't know, bro. Bro's just tripping, bro. Who's also hella dramatic, bro. Like, fuck, like, no moments die. Like, come on, bro. I don't know, that fool just, I don't know, bro. Bro's dramatic as fuck, dog. I don't know, bro, but that shit sucks, bro. That shit sucks if we lose that fool. That was cool, bro. But fool acting like a little bitch, bro. Alright, fool. Alright, well, I'm looking at Dollar Tree this week. I'm gonna be up tomorrow live streaming too, bro. Or I might record, most likely will be live streaming because I have a position on Dollar Tree. I have 2 contracts at $12. We have a bullish fair value gap right here. Another one right here on the daily. The weekly looks nice. It's a 2-2 bullish continuation. 2 down, 2 up. But I mean, we look at the 2 up. If you look at the daily, it's a 2-2 bullish continuation. We have 3 2-bars. This one broke above previous high. I mean, above this candle. You see, just by a little bit, like 1 cent, bro. By like 1 cent. So this is a 2-bar, 2 up bar, and then this one, as you can see, bro, big ass bar, creating an imbalance, creating a fair value gap right here, which we might be bouncing off. But I mean, shit, if it touched it right away, most likely we will keep going up. Most likely, we broke. Well, when was I looking at it? I think Tuesday. I told you it broke this one. It broke this price target. When did it break? It broke Thursday, bro. I got in a bit late, but fuck it. It broke above. It broke above like this previous high. It broke it on Thursday. So if we break Thursday's high of 76.30 tomorrow or this week, if we break above 76.30 this week, we could see it go up to 76 with no problem. If you look at the weekly looks nice. There's a huge ass fair value gap right here, bro. Huge ass fair value gap. But I mean, look, this is what? This is a high. This is a high. So I mean, if we go above this high, we go up to 76. Chat rate. Target, he hearing you. That's true. Probably is, bro. He probably is, dog. But yeah, let me check out Target, bro. But I mean, I really like Dollar Tree, bro. We should probably hop in Dollar Tree, bro. If tomorrow Dollar Tree goes above 76.30, right now it closed at 75.99. Now look at the 4-hour. It closed at 76.11 pre-market. I mean post-market. It closed at 76.11. So above 76.30, we go up to this next level of 76, bro. And then we fucking break, bro. we break, we could really see like we could see it fill this gap, this little gap up to 81.53, because there's orders that didn't get filled right here. Shit was too quick, but these orders didn't get filled. So above 76.76, next price target is 76.97. I like Dollar Tree a lot, to be honest. That's the only reason I got in, because I like the setup. Because on, what was it? It was on Friday. Oh, Fridays. Yeah, I added it on Thursday, bro. If I would have gotten on Thursday, shit, I would have been in profit. I would have been a little nice in profit. And yeah, I saw that it reached 76.76 on Friday's pre-market. So I'm hoping that by this week we go above 76.30 and back to 76.76 where it touched on Friday's pre-market, which is definitely a possibility, bro. Definitely. Dollar Tree's nice. I like Dollar Tree. Alright, next stock target. Let me see on the weekly. Weekly, we still have that big ass fair value gap we're inside of now. We're inside of it now, and then this is a, what is it? Is it a 2-2? Nah, it's a 2-2-3. This big ass expansion candle, that expansion candle meaning that it's gonna go to this side, it's gonna go bullish. So we might, yeah, we were breaking this high, this weekly high, this previous weekly high of what, 136.29, 136.30. If we go above this one, we see 138, and then we might hit the midpoint of this fair value gap or even fill it, bro, on the in the upcoming weeks. But for the daily, let's see. I think we have a trend line on the daily. So it touched once, twice, once, twice. It didn't touch 3 times, so I'm not too convinced. But I mean, right here, did it? Nah. Over here, did it? Nah. So I think it just right there. It touched once and touched twice right here. It tried to go below, but it didn't. So let me see. Do we have a fair value gap? We have a fair value gap right here. Can it bounce? Maybe. Maybe. I don't think it'll be most likely, but I mean, it can bounce. It can bounce, and if it does bounce, I'm looking to get into calls above 136 or 138, my first price target, and then we could fill this gap up to 148. So I mean, target might look good, you know, might look good. We just have to see how it plays out. It's a 2-2 bullish continuation, so yeah, so above this previous high of 136.30, which was last week's high. Yeah, no, this was last week's high. Last 2 weeks high, last week's high. I don't know, bro. That shit's kind of confusing to say. But if we go above this high, it held right here. So if it did held, if it held right here, you know, it just wants to keep going up. So above 136, we go up to 138. Any questions? Any fucking questions? ¿Dónde más? Ok, más está bien. Yeah, but just give me 1 second real quick. But I mean, that's my analysis for Target, bro. It looks pretty good. Been making higher highs on the daily. So higher highs, higher lows. But there's no way there's two people watching, bro. Who's watching? Alright, bro. You still on? Jeez, that's right, bro. You still on that. You're the gold, bro. But I mean, yeah. Target. Any other stock, bro? You told me about Target, Chewy, Wendy's. Chewy, I told you look at puts, bro. Look at puts, but I mean, if this wants to reverse, you also want to look at the high of it, which would be 34.75. So you might want to look at 35, $36 calls. But I'm not advising you. I don't know. In my opinion, I don't like calls for this one, bro. Cause I told you it broke below this trend line. It held right here. It went back up, but it's not enforced to keep going up to reaching that high of 35.88. So it could go below. It could go below. If it goes below 33.96, which I'm pretty sure it will, it'll hit 33.35. But I mean, I'm gonna add it to watch list just to see how it plays out this week. But yeah, bro, be careful if you hop in. Let's look at the news. The news. What news is there? Alright. Chewy is a trending stock. Facts and not before betting on it. Yeah. I mean, Chewy, Target, Wendy's, what else, bro? I showed you my analysis on Dollar Tree. I got it right here, bro. I got in a good fill at 75.68, but still premiums didn't go up, bro. Fuck them premiums. EOS though. EOS broke above previous weekly high. So it would have been this one. So yeah, bro. If it goes above this previous high of 530, we could see it hit 567. So I'm watching EOSE for this week or next week. But I mean, these stocks are enforced, bro. If everything goes good, if there's no bullshit, if nothing makes the market bleed, then yeah, we could see everything playing out, bro. We could see EOSE playing out. Above 530, we go to 567. I also have Quantum Space, QS, but I mean, I'm not liking, bro. I'm not liking these setups, bro. You know why? Because, I mean, I thought they would play out the next day when I called it out on Thursday. I thought it'd play out. Did it play out? It did. It went above this high, bro. You see? So I told you, bro. I called it out on Thursday, right? Bro, this is fucking annoying. Where the fuck is the other one? Arrow. Alright, bro. So I called it out right here at 617, right? Right here at 617. Called it out. I called it out at 617. I was like, watch for it to break above this previous high of 626. Of 625. Did it? And it did, bro. It broke above, but it didn't wanna. It didn't wanna hold. It would have. If it would have held, it would have gone to the next high, next previous high of 655. But it didn't hold. It didn't hold. So, I mean, I'm looking at it because it's kind of sus, bro. This is kind of sus. It could keep going down, bro. It could go down. It means a reversal. But I mean, if you look at the strat assistant, it's a 2-2 bullish continuation. So this is perfect to look at entries above what? Above 617. 617. So at 618, if it goes above 618, we touch 625 without no fucking hesitation, and then this we go above this one, or that's the next target. 638 would be the next target. So above 1618, the next target is 638. Above 638, we go to 655. I'm gonna post these levels. I'm gonna post these levels. Maybe not the watch list, but the levels of what the stocks that I have on watch. I'd be like above 618. Watch for Friday's high of 638. Above 638, we could run up to 655. But on the other hand, if we go below, if we go below 586, this one would be a perfect entry for puts. If we go below 587, we could see which low is this. If we go below 587, we could see a hit 577, and below 577, we could see 569. Below 569, we see it go to 554. If it goes below 554, we go down to 542. So it's pretty easy, bro. The strat, you just look at previous highs, like when it goes up, and then previous lows to see, like, you know, your entry on puts. This is a previous high. This is a previous high. This one too, 554, and this one too, bro. 6 views. But I mean, damn, I don't like my watch list right now, bro. Other than Dollar Tree, I'm not liking this shit. But I mean, they could hit, bro. They could hit this week or next week. Lunar. Excuse me. It went above this high and it held above that high. So Lunar is a pretty interesting setup for tomorrow. For tomorrow and this week, because if we go above, let me see, we just gotta go above previous high. Previous high, bro, was 1929. 1929. Damn, I can't put this shit at 1929. Fuck it, I'll put it at 1928. Above 1928, we go up to 1976. Only if there's volume in this one, but I mean, there's 15 million volume on this one, this stock, so you know. Wall Street bets stocks mostly higher pre-bell Friday. That's not even a Q, dog. That's a K. KULR. Wait, what the fuck? Hold on. KULR technology, intuitive machines to advance. So it could keep going up, bro. Fuck this little fair value gap. It's too little, bro. Fuck that. Little fair value gaps aren't worth it. This one though, you see that fair value gap right here. This shit is worth it. This setup looks exactly like Dollar Tree, bro. You see? Fair value gap right there. And it's bouncing right there, bro. If you look at the weekly on Lunar, weekly on Lunar took out this previous high. And on pre-market or on Friday, bro. Monday, December 29th. The fuck? December 23, or last week, which I'm pretty sure was Friday. Yeah, you see, it was Friday. It reached the previous highs of 1976. It touched it on Friday, bro. They got touched Friday. So I mean, if it got touched, hopefully it keeps going up because of this bullish fair value gap. But if not, then we might see a reversal. As long as it holds this fair value gap, we're chilling. And if we go above 1928, we see 1976 next. But let's look at the strat assistant. It's a 2-2 bullish continuation. A 2 bar to the upside is a 2U, another 2 bar to the upside, and this 2 bar to the upside. Pretty easy, bro. I mean, hopefully Hopefully in banks, bro. Hopefully we bank. What else you want me to watch, bro? I'm gonna go right now through my watch list. Just let me know what you want to watch, bro. Not looking at shit this week. Or maybe Spy. Nah, for real. Maybe Spy, bro. Bro, even though I do these watch lists and these lives, I always end up trading Spy, bro. Yo, bro, my dib gonna go to sleep. For sure, bro. I really don't like QQQ, bro. So I'm not gonna even go over QQQ because I've lost so much money on QQQ, bro. I hate those fucking premiums, dog. I hate those premiums with my fucking life, dog. But I mean, damn. I was watching this shit on Tuesday. I was like, shit, this is a nice bullish candle, you know, so we might go up. But I gotta delete this whole fucking crap, bro. I don't like how it's messing with me. Let me see. Fuck it right now. Fucking, bro. Alright. So right here, we have a fair value gap on the daily for SPY, which is right here, I believe. Bro, I've done so much shit with SPY. Like, nah. It's like actually right here. That's the fair value gap. It touched the bottom, bro. It touched the bottom of this fair value gap, but it closed at midpoint. I mean, for SPY, bro, you could enter puts. Shit, well, it would have been good to enter puts already, but I mean, since it's below this one, let me see the high of this. The high of this is 59,595.30. So if we go above 15,500, 595.30, right now it's at 595.01. If we can go above 595.30, next level we could see is this Friday's high. Friday's high, what was it? 597.78. We'll just put it at 597.76, bro. Let me take this shit off, bro. Fuck that shit. We're just using the strat, bro. The strat is where it's at, bro. Look at the weekly. Weekly, I mean, what does the strat say? It's an inside bar, so we could look probably for a breakout. Either both side. Monthly. On the monthly, it's a 2-2 bullish continuation, bro. And since it's almost New Year's, like, I mean, that could make that shit go bullish. But I mean, fuck, if you see what the strat says for the daily, it's a 2-2 bearish reversal. So I'm probably looking at puts, bro, because it is above this previous high. It is below that previous high. I mean, if you look at the 4-hour, we try to go above it, but it didn't go above it. And on the post market it closed below. So we'll just have to see how it opens, bro. You mostly want to check for like the pre-market highs and lows, because for example, look right here, Friday's pre-market at 6. I'm looking at the 1-hour, bro. We went below this one. So like right away, like waking up, bro. Waking up, you would have seen that SPY is below these highs. I mean, SPY is below these lows. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, on the 30-minute, bro, right here. That is the low, bro, right here. The low of 597.33, bro. 597.33. This one lagged a little bit, but I mean, shit, so try to touch right here. Probably try to go up. If you look at the 15-minute, yeah, you see. So it went down first candle, and then this candle try to break that high. Try to break yeah, I mean, Now, well, it broke below pre-market, bro. It broke this pre-market low. Then right here was a little, what's it called? A little rejection. You could call it a little rejection or a little pullback. A little pullback for then, boom, for then this big ass candle, bro. This big ass candle that hit what, at 7? It hit at 7. So from 597 to 593. Oh, that was a nice drop, bro. That one could have banked easily. And then right here we see this again, bro. We see that, you know, it tried to go up. It tried to go up to that previous high, bro. The one I told you about like 2 days ago probably. And then boom, you see right here, it rejected that. It rejected this support, I mean this resistance, and we went back down. We went back down at 12, but I mean right here, well, in the morning, yeah, maybe the first 3 hours. The first 3 hours was good. It was really good for puts. And then I saw that right here, it didn't want to break this low, didn't want to break this fair value gap low, so it just bounced off right here. This was a sign, bro. This was a sign that it was gonna reverse. It could have either gone down, dropped nasty low, or it could have reversed, and it decided to reverse, bro. But I hate calls. I'm better at puts, bro. I like puts a lot. Like on the daily, any time frame, bro, I like puts. But for SPY on this one, I mean, yeah, the trend on SPY was low. I mean, this trend on SPY was shorts, bro. You look at the daily. Yeah, so last week's high, Monday's high, it broke. So I mean, it could keep going down, bro. So maybe puts, but we'll just have to see. That's why I'm gonna be up tomorrow to see the pre-market highs, pre-market lows, and then we'll just go based off of that. But I mean, yeah, I'll catch you later, fam. Catch you tomorrow then. But yeah, alright, for sure, bro. Thank you for tuning in, bro. I'm gonna work on the watch list right now, bro. So yeah, SPY below 590.35, 595.30. I mean, I mean, that is the level, bro. That is the level. I'm watching 595.30. It could either go below, keep going below, or it could go up. But I mean, like I told my bro David, I mean, you know, it could go both ways. 4 hours. On the 4 hour, still below. I gotta mark this shit, bro. Monday's high. Yeah, I gotta put some indicator. Gotta name it, bro. Monday 12/23 high. Cause then I get confused, bro. I'm like, damn, so many fucking candles. Then this is Friday's high. Friday 12/27. Yeah. Friday 12/27 high. And the 4 hour, or what is that? What is that other shit, bro? Oh, that's like the 30-minute. Yeah, but I mean, that isn't that's not relevant no more. What's relevant is this Monday high and Friday high. I'm looking at those two, bro. So SPY. Alright, let's say SPY. SPY below Monday's high. We could go down. We could keep going down, and we could hit this low of this fair value gap on the daily. But if we go above we could see it touch Friday's high of 597.76. But either way, I'll be up tomorrow at 6:30 to see what, see what goes on. But I mean, those are my levels, bro. Those are my levels for SPY. I'm trying to kill it tomorrow on SPY. I have 20 bucks buying power because the rest is right here on Dollar Tree. But I mean, SPY, we could bank with SPY. It did close below Monday's high. So I mean, this week, if you look at the weekly, that candle could either give us a big bounce, or if it doesn't give us a big bounce, then we keep going down. We go down. If we go down, we could see it hit 587. That 587 level. But I mean, those are my levels, bro. What else? SPY. Now let's look at FedEx. FedEx, what does the strat say? We have a 2-2, but it's not a bullish continuation. It doesn't say nothing about bullish continuation. But on the weekly, we have a 3-2 bearish reversal. So FedEx, if we go below this week's low, Monday, December 9 low, which was, what was it? 277.52. That is December 9, Monday 12/9 low. Monday 12/9 low. That's gonna be our entry for FedEx. Look at the high. But if we go above this high of 281.60, we'll just put it at 281.65. That one is Monday 12/23 high. That's the entry for calls. And then Monday 12/29 low. Here's the entry for puts. On the daily, let's look at the daily. It's in this little range, so if it breaks over here, oh, I see a fair value gap. I see a fair value gap on the daily, bro. And it's a bearish one. You see this bearish fair value gap? It touched twice, but it didn't go straight down. It hit it a third time, and it hit it a fourth time, and it went inside the fifth time. The fifth time it went inside, it didn't want to keep going up. It didn't hold that level. It didn't hold inside, bro. It also didn't hold inside, but then went down. So from, let me see, if you would have gotten if you would have gotten in at 282 and you stayed in there from Monday, bro, from Monday to Wednesday, from 282 to 272, that's a 10-point move. Puts would have been nice for here. Then it had earnings on Thursday. Friday was crazy. There's still hella orders here, maybe buy orders, so we could see it probably go up to this gap, this fair value gap, so above 281.65, which is Monday's, which was last week's high. If we go above last week's high, we go into this fair value gap. This fair value gap, the low of the fair value gap is 284, midpoint 288, and 292. So my levels for it, if it goes above 281.65, you want to watch 284, 288, and 292. But for the downside, if it goes below 277, we see 274, 272, 270, 267, and the low of this range 265.24. You know what? I'm gonna add a little fib. I'm gonna add a little fib retracement to this FedEx chart. I like the range. The current range is low, and then the current range is high, and we're by that 0.618 level of that golden zone. So we could reject it. We could reject, go back down, or we could go into that fair value gap. Why the fuck does it look like that though, bro? Fuck this visibility corners, style, trend line, background color. I don't like the background color, bro. Fuck that shit. But I mean, yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I don't like this fib, bro. I don't like the color for the fib. Let's put it yellow. Yellow, fuck no. Orange. Maybe. I don't like orange though, bro. Blue. Purple. Nah. Purple's already the fair value gap. Pink. Nah. We'll just put it orange, bro. Fuck it though. Next stock I'm having on watch is Pfizer. I like Pfizer. It's a 212. Look, 212 bullish continuation. Oh, never mind. That one is a 3. A 3 because it's an expanded candle that broke above and below previous candle highs and lows. So, you know, I said 3 bullish red strat. That's what I go based off of. Excuse me. So I'm looking to enter above here. Above here is 2672. Above 2672, we reached 2685 again. And let me see the weeklies. Weekly, yeah. We go to this next. Oh, it already broke this trend line. Nice. So it broke this trend line already. It broke it once, then it came back down, but it broke it again. So I mean, this time could be the good one, you know. Could be the time for a little breakout to 27.15. Let's go. So above previous highs, above Thursday's high of 26.72, we see it reach 26.85. Above 26.85, we go to 27.15. Pretty easy. Pretty analysis on this one. Pretty easy, bro. Pretty much light work, bro. Monthly, weekly. Fuck it. I'm gonna just base off the daily because I like the daily. Then I already get my analysis for SPY. Oh, it broke. It broke this high. It broke this low for MNQ. I was trading MNQ, but I'm tired of it, bro. I hate watching this shit. I hate trading this shit, bro. Fuck that shit. That's why I don't get fucking funded. Fuck it though. I'ma just post my watch list tomorrow, bro. And yeah, I'll be back in a second. Next one will be better, hopefully. Let's be like that, though, babe. But I mean, I'm done streaming for the night. That was it. That's all I had. 1 hour stream. It was pretty alright. Hope you fools enjoyed it. Whoever hopped on had 6 views, 6 viewers. It is alright though.